Hello, happy Wellness Wednesday. So I have just created a Summer Vibes body spritzer and I wanted to show you how you could make one of these for summer or for Christmas as a gift. And in there, you can see the oils are on the top. I have put in there gold fleck and I wanted to show you, isn't that gorgeous? How easy it is to make. So let's get started. Oh my God, if you could smell this, it's to die for. I should say it's to live for. So there you go. So here I have 100, it's a little bit bigger than 100 ml spritzer bottle. Okay, so here it is here. So we're going to create this. All right, so here it is here. So always wash out your bottles. So this has just got, I like nice bottles, as you can tell. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the oils in. So the 3 oils that go into this summer vibe are my 3 favorites for summer. And who does not love lime? I absolutely love lime. Okay, so the first thing going in here is 20 drops of lime. So we're going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so 20 drops of lime essential oil. All right. The next one is my second favorite summer. Can anyone guess? Ylang Ylang. So, this has taken me back to my very younger years and what I like to smell like in summer. So, and this is great for all age groups. So I've made this so everyone will love this summer vibes. So we're going to put 10 drops of Ylang Ylang. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. All right. And the third beautiful oil, can you imagine or can you guess what it is? Patchouli. For those that don't know, my dad's Indonesian, so I have grown up with patchouli my whole life and I absolutely love it. And it brings back lots of memories. So for me, patchouli is a must-have. It's summer. It's just a beautiful, beautiful oil. So you put 10 drops. These are the only 3 oils that go into my summer vibes. So 10 drops. She's coming out. Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She's a little bit thicker, as you can tell. All right, so there's your 3 oils. We're going to give them a little. You can leave them for a little while to synergize, okay? But, oh my gosh, you got to smell that. So lime, 20 drops. I'll put the recipe up for you. 10 drops of Ylang Ylang and 10 drops of patchouli. The next thing is we're going to do a 50-50 mix, okay? So this you can spray on your body. It has got lime, so you can't go out in the sun with it. So either on your clothes or I spray it on my body or I spray it all over me. You can use it as an air freshener. You can have it in your handbag and oh my gosh, it is just divine. Okay, so you're going to do, I've picked the biggest funnel, can you see? All right, so you're going to do witch hazel. Okay, so I just grabbed these from the local supermarket, or you can use a Ciroc vodka, but for a cheaper option, just go and grab some witch hazel. So we're going to do 50 mils. All right, so can you see this here? Yep, cool. All right, I tried to set it up so you can see what I'm doing rather than me. Okay, so we're going to do 50%. Okay, so half of whatever you're doing. This is 100 mils, okay, so thereabouts. All right, now the piece of resistance to make this look very glamorous and like a very expensive looking body spritzer is that I just grabbed some gold leaf from the supermarket. Okay, this is an edible one, so it's a food graded gold leaf that you can use with all your cooking stuff, okay? Now, this is the fun part, trying to get it into the bottle, yeah? So the best way to do it, so while you're at this stage, okay, half and half, before you put your distilled water on, just grab the top part, yes, and you're going to very gently grab the gold leaf. Don't touch it. I had it everywhere. So I'm going to grab it out. The air conditioner's on. So I'm going to try and get it in the bottle with the air conditioner blowing. The secret is, and this is not going to work live, is just to, I'm giggling, oh my God, this is not going to work. But what you're going to do is you're going to stick it like that on the end, yeah? I just got a little bit in there, can you see? And then you're going to break it up. Can you see that? You can only see, I've only got a little bit, but just put it, use this little to get it in there because the gold leaf is all over my benches. It's so funny. So anyway, so you get him like that. Yeah. And then you're going to, there's a little bit of gold in there. Can you see it? Not as much as this one because most of it went in there. Can you see? That was funny. It was very funny how to do it. So I worked it out after all that. And then you're going to finish off with your distilled water. Always use distilled or, there we go, distilled, or you're going to use filtered, very good quality pure water, please. Okay, there you go. Then you're going to pop your lid on and shake it. Remember, it's got no preservatives in there, so you will find the oils go to the top, and that's okay. All right, look at that. Now, just to finish it off, cool, I have just done a Summer Vibes by Frankie and Rose. And I just picked up this. This is what I use. It's a Brother Pea Touch. And you can get like different, can you see these? You can see all the different. So this one here is just a shimmer gold. Like it's just a beautiful gold. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, very pretty. Yeah, cool. And then you can just cut the ends and then you just basically pop it on there. So you could just put Summer Vibes on there by Amanda or by whoever. And there is a beautiful gift that you can gift to someone this summer. Or for just a little beautiful little gift. You got to smell it. It is absolutely stunning. So there you go. There's Summer Vibes by Frankie and Rose or Summer Vibes by you. And that's just a beautiful gold infused body shimmer that you can gift for Christmas this year. So I hope you love that. And I was just playing around making something for tomorrow's Oils Club, and I thought I would share with you tonight. So have a great night, and I hope you love this. Give me a thumbs up or leave a message if you're going to give this one a go. Take care.